Hey, welcome back. Basically, this is a short video that shows one of the major problems that people have with their Integras that creates air problems. See here? Here's the back firewall. This customer had issues over and over and over. Air problems, stove shut down. When you start using a stove so much that you deteriorate that back firewall like so, you're getting your money's worth. Good job. But, easy fix. Slip that right here. Oh, look at that. Ain't that a peach? Look at that bad boy. Beautiful. It's got that new pellet stove smell. Look at that beautiful insulation board back there. For all of you that don't know, this insulation board is very important to maintain on your stove. When you drop your back firewall, and if you find that this is deteriorated, cracked, or missing, you will start having air code problems. This is supposed to be insulated. Problem is, you end up producing too much heat through this back firewall. You're going to start tripping your high limit switch, which then your stove's going to keep shutting down on you. Very easy fix. If you find that you need one, give us a call. Got them in stock. All you got to do is pop the clips here and here. Take off the old, put on the new, put the clips back on. Just be careful when you're taking the clips off. They do break. If they do break, let us know. We got them. That's pretty much it. Quick shot here of the bottom back cast firewall. We got them in stock. So if your firewall's starting to look like this, here's your answer. Beautiful. So, any questions? Give us a call. 800-348-1021. Rika, Austroflamm, we got you covered. See ya.